Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about Microsoft. Now, huge call volume came in today, and now on the weeklies as well. So, huge call volume on your weeklies. Your 240 calls had around 52,000 contracts traded today. So, that's crazy. So, everybody's speculating to the upside. IV rank is really low. So, implied volatility in Microsoft relative to itself over the past year is very low, and that's why we're getting here with calls. While we some sort of a debit, right? You want to be purchasing something in here because you're looking for expansion, either up whatever your assumption is. You need to look for an implied volatility expansion, right? So either up with you to the call side or to the put side. But right now, everybody's going to the call side, so there's call skew in here in your options premium. So always keep that in mind. And again, Ivy ranks 3, and you have around a $3 expected move by Friday. So we'll see what happens and see how Microsoft reacts to all that speculation that's kind of underneath this underlying here. Now, going forward, where does that put us on the chart? Well, you can see we kind of messed around with this 50-day moving average. I'm sorry, this chart looks like a mess, but we're still gonna leave it, because if we kind of zoom out, you can see ever since September, it's been this nice wedge, and late January broke out above it, went up here to all-time highs, 245, and then just kind of went back down and met that 50-day moving average, and has been playing around with that ever since basically end of February, beginning of March. So going forward, that's going to be our main support. But really, we have a 232 in here that, or let's just call it 233. That's going to be a nice base for us. That's going to be our max pain, but really 235. There will be some footing in there. And then our resistance is going to be 240. But our main resistance that we're looking for, we want to see a break of 245. So we can definitely work our way up here. As you can see, this candle here today on the daily broke out of these Bollinger Bands. So 245 is not out of the question, even though there's only $3 expected move by Friday. We could see an expansion and a nice pop, get a nice rip in tech in here, and this could work its way up to 245. RSI 61, stochastic 61. With all the speculation and stuff, I'm not sure if people actually really care about the relative strength index or your stochastic. So even though they're not really close to, I mean, they're close to being overbought, but they're more or less a neutral, I would say. I don't really think people would be really taking a good hard look at these. I think they just kind of like go wherever the speculation is. And especially if we get a nice gap up tomorrow, we can work our way up. We kind of break and hold that 240. We can work our way to that 245. So again, just to reiterate, 235, 233, we're looking at 240 and then 245. So, and again, just keep an eye on your 50-day moving average. That's where going to be that's where all the action is going to be over the next week or so. And obviously, the higher we rip, the more the moving average will move up. So again, 240, 245, 235, 233. You got a $3 expected move, speculation to the upside in Microsoft. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check us out on social media. We have attached the links to our socials in the description. We have a swing trading service if you're interested. There's more information in the description below.